Your data science team has built a working model, but now it needs to run reliably in production. GPU resources are shared across clusters, data lives in multiple locations, models need versioning, and security teams are asking how inference endpoints are controlled. The model isn't the hard part anymore. Operationalizing AI is. That's exactly what the Nutanix Certified Professional Artificial Intelligence exam is designed to test. This certification validates your ability to deploy, manage, and operate AI and machine learning workloads on the Nutanix platform using Nutanix AI, Kubernetes, virtualization, and integrated data services. In this video, we'll work through practice questions built around real Nutanix AI scenarios, where infrastructure, data, and AI workflows must work together. Let's think like a Nutanix AI professional. Question number 1, when licensing Nutanix Enterprise AI, which license is required to create an inference endpoint? A. GPU GB, B. vCPU C, NUS Pro, D. NKP Ultimate. Correct answer, A. GPU GB explanation. The correct answer is A. GPU GB because inference endpoints in Nutanix Enterprise AI require GPU resources to run AI ML models efficiently. The GPU GB license provides the necessary GPU memory needed for high-performance inference workloads. Inference tasks rely on parallel processing, which GPUs handle much better than CPUs. The vCPU license is only for general compute and is not optimized for AI inference. NUS Pro and NKP Ultimate are platform-level licenses and do not provide GPU capacity. Therefore, GPU GB is mandatory to create and run an inference endpoint. Question number 2. Here is the text converted from the uploaded image 21.jpg. What does the view sample request link within the endpoint list provide for administrators? A. It connects the endpoint to the large language model. B. It includes the instructions on how to delete the endpoint. C. It only stores the URL required to access the endpoint. D. It contains the URL and API key to connect to the endpoint. Correct answer, D. It contains the URL and API key to connect to the endpoint. Explanation. The view sample request link helps administrators quickly understand how to interact with the endpoint. It provides the endpoint URL and API key, which are required for authentication and access. This allows developers to test or integrate the endpoint without manual configuration. It simplifies the connection process by giving a ready-to-use request example. Options A, B, and C are incorrect because they do not fully describe the connection details. Therefore, it is mainly used for easy and secure endpoint integration. Question number 3, an administrator has been requested by a developer team to provide them with an endpoint. Which action must the administrator ensure is taken before creating the first endpoint? A. Import a large language model, LLM, to Nutanix Enterprise AI and ensure that the import status is upload. B. Create a new Nutanix Enterprise AI instance and ensure that status is running. C. Import a large language model, LLM, to Nutanix Enterprise AI and ensure that the import status is active. D. Create a new Nutanix Enterprise AI instance and ensure that status is complete. Correct answer, C. Port a large language model, LLM, to Nutanix Enterprise AI and ensure that the import status is active. Explanation. Before creating an endpoint, a large language model, LLM, must already be available in Nutanix Enterprise AI. Simply uploading the model is not enough. The status must be active, meaning it is fully ready for use. Endpoints are created to serve requests using an active model, so without it, deployment will fail. Options A, B, and D are incorrect because uploaded, running, or complete do not guarantee the model is usable. Therefore, ensuring the LLM is imported in an active state is a mandatory prerequisite. Question number 4, Nutanix AI officially supports which 2 LLM packaging formats? Choose 2. A. NVIDIA, NIM-B, ONNX, C. Ollama, D. Hugging Face. Correct answer, A. NVIDIA NIM, and D. Hugging Face explanation. Nutanix AI supports NVIDIA NIM as a packaging format because it provides optimized, GPU-ready model deployment containers. It also supports Hugging Face, which is widely used for hosting and distributing pre-trained LLMs. These formats ensure compatibility, scalability, and easy integration within Nutanix Enterprise AI. ONNX is mainly a model interoperability format, not a full LLM packaging standard in this context. Ollama is not officially supported by Nutanix AI for enterprise LLM deployment. Therefore, NVIDIA NIM and Hugging Face are the correct supported formats. Question number 5, to reduce GPU usage charges over weekends, an administrator decides to temporarily pause all active endpoints. Which action in Nutanix Enterprise AI supports this goal? A. Apply a read-only license. B. Hibernate the endpoints. C. Detach the LLMs from endpoints. D. Scale inference pods to 0. Correct answer, B. Hibernate the endpoints. Explanation. To reduce GPU usage costs, the administrator should scale inference pods to 0, which stops all running workloads. This ensures no GPU resources are consumed while endpoints are not in use, e.g. weekends. It is a common Kubernetes-based approach to pause compute without deleting configurations. Hibernate or detaching LLMs are not standard or efficient methods in this context. A read-only license does not impact resource consumption. Therefore, scaling pods to 0 is the most effective way to minimize GPU charges. The Nutanix Certified Professional Artificial Intelligence exam isn't about proving you can train a model once. It's about showing you can operate AI workloads reliably in production. Practice questions like these help you. Make the right platform and deployment choices. Balance performance, scalability, and governance. Support AI teams without sacrificing infrastructure stability. If you're looking for more practice questions that reflect real operational challenges, check the link in the description for additional resources available on CertBoosters. Subscribe to the channel for more Nutanix, AI infrastructure, and enterprise platform certification practice sessions. Thanks for watching, and remember, successful AI doesn't just run models, it runs consistently, securely, and at scale.